Hi everyone, it's Denise Reed and welcome back to my channel Bramble Reed. Are you interested in learning how to distress jean shorts and how to fray jean shorts? In today's tutorial, you will learn different techniques on how to DIY rip jean shorts and how to distress your own jeans. By the end of today's tutorial, you will learn how to make old jeans into shorts and different tools to help you DIY distress jeans while fraying short bottoms. For the best DIY and fashion content, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified when I upload a video every Tuesday. I have a Facebook page that is dedicated to DIY crafts and fashion that you're able to join. Now it's your turn. Now for different techniques, you need different tools, obviously. So for this one, we're gonna call this one the distressing. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna clip how wide you want your distressing to be. Okay, and you're not going to clip it like that. You're just going to clip a straight horizontal line. And let's say you want your distressing to be that wide, you want it over your knee. You're going to clip it again. And I'm just going to do this so that I'll speed through the video, but this part here is where you guys are going to learn how to do it. Now what you want to do is get a tweezer and you're going to start pulling that down. Now, you don't want all of that going off. You want it coming down horizontally. So you're going to try and pull your horizontal pieces and you're going to pull them out, okay? Okay, so you see the way that goes? Now some tips with your distressing. I've pulled all that I want, and with this distressing here, your fibers are going to get thick like this and bushy once you wash it. These fibers here will get thicker and I will show you that. Now if you want to have a perfect distressing, measure from here and go so that your lines are straight. Remember, only clip as far as you want. Don't clip over here like that and leave it like that, then this part here is gonna fray. Now if you want to have it perfectly straight, if you go to the back of the fabric, you can actually see your grain lines. So you can see this is your straight grain and your horizontal, and you can clip according to the back to get it exactly straight so you don't get a lot of these tear-offs. But these tear-offs are also what make the distressing look. The second way you can actually distress your pants is the way I did it in the video. So let's do 3 clips and leave enough space in between. So I was testing out something and I noticed that if you leave a little bit of space, when you wash, it's gonna go through. And you're gonna take something and you're just gonna keep doing that. Now by using this, you're wearing your fabric in here, because literally you can clip it, leave it. As you wash it, the fiber is going to come and this is going to get smaller. The washing machine will do everything for you. So the only reason why you would use this metal or you would use sandpaper is because you want to wear in between these pieces here, not because you want to ravel here, because it will automatically ravel once you wash it. So I tested 2 pieces on my pants just to see if this actually worked. Okay, and those are the 2 main ways to distress your pair of pants. If you want to fray your pants, you're going to go down to the end and you're just going to fray it. And again, this is only if you are not washing your pants. Once you wash your pants, this will automatically fray. So this is what I've done, and I wanted to show you this one specifically. See, you have your fabrics that are inside here, and especially when you're doing a pocket, remember that you have a pocket piece. This is where your underwear is. So try not to cut your pocket piece. Try to only cut the fabric. But look at this. This is really pretty. You see you have your fraying and your distressing all combined, and that's exactly what you want. This is a sample one that I did because my intention was to have little pieces of strings inside, but I wanted to see what happens. And basically your fibers break. So if you want to have it where it's distressing, don't cut too far. Just give it a little bit of room. As it washes, it will fray and do the distressing for you. This is what I was telling you about. When you cut, leave a little bit of fabric in between, and enough so that it distresses on both sides. We're going to be making a pair of distressed denim shorts, and these are the denim pants that I'm using, which already has a little bit distressed here. But what we're going to do is, this is for my husband. I'm going to actually cut a little bit below the distress because the distress is right at the knee, and I'm going to see if I can put a cuff on it. If not, I'll just leave it the way it is. So I wanted to just give you guys some tips and tricks. So the one thing that you want to do is fold your jeans in half, like what I have here. And then you're gonna cut from your front to the back area. Now remember, bum lifts up your back pants. So when you're cutting, don't cut straight, cut a little bit so you're giving your back portion a little bit more room so that when you fit into the pants, the back part is not lifting up higher than your front section. So my husband already tried on these pants, we measured, and now I'm just going to cut, and I'm going to use an appropriate scissors so I can cut through the side seams, which is the bulk of the denim, and go all the way over. Now another thing that I did was when I was folding my denim pants, I put everything together and I lined up the top also, so everything is fitting and I'm able to cut and get a nice cut. There is a tip that if you want your side seams to match up, when you run your finger along your side seams, you can actually feel where they go and you can pull your denim into place. So and we're gonna save this portion here because there's always something that you can do with it, and it has like nice fringing at the bottom. So we'll just save it and put it aside. You never know when you're gonna need it. Comment down below if you're interested in learning how to make the distressed denim shorts for this summer. Now that you know how to make the distressed denim shorts, I have written a 9-page guideline to show you how to get your creative juices out of your mind and onto a digital platform. I have included some list of tutorials to help you understand the platforms better. You can download the guide at the link in the description box. Also, are you interested in joining a group of creative minds like yourself? I do have that Facebook page that you are able to join where we'll be sharing different crafts and DIY projects. Check the link in the description box. Check out these videos next on camouflage pattern painting and also how to fade black jeans. Now, if you like this video, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe and share the content with your family and friends.